Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. First we are going to roll the dough and we are going to make 3 partitions. So using this knife we are going to make these 3 long strips and braid them together. Look how we are doing here in this video. After braiding them together we are going to put a cherry or a date inside it and roll it like we are doing here in this video and make this rose flower shape. Similarly we are going to make more designs. So we are going to put these red color of cherries at the center and twist the dough like this. Now roll it around the flower and you will get this beautiful flower dough art at the end. So we are going to take 3 circular doughs, press it. After this we are going to make the design on the sides of the dough using comb. After this we are going to make further partition using knife. Then we are going to press it as well and make the fishtail shape using these chopsticks. Now we are going to hold it at the center and then we are going to make this flower pattern. You can also put some cherries like we are doing here and make the flower petal shape. Take another piece of circular dough and we're going to draw the dotted line on the top of it using comb. Now we're going to make multiple cut and make a flower shape. Put it at the center of the shape like this and look, it's ready. Roll the dough and make 3 long these strips. After this we are going to braid all of them together. Look how we are doing here in this video. We are going to do this like we do with the hair and look, it's done. After this take another 3 circular doughs and look, we are putting the red color of dates or cherries on the both side of the circles. Now fold it and put it at the center. Hold it using chopsticks and make this flower shape. Now roll the dough, make a ring and put the flower on the top of it. Take another piece of circular dough. We're going to make flower here, so make multiple cut on the side of it and create the flower petals. Put it at the center of the design and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. We are going to make a beautiful dough art. So roll a dough and make 2 circles. Now we are going to put both of them one after another. Using knife we are going to make multiple cut from the sides and using chopsticks we are going to fold the corners and make this beautiful flower shape. Now stretch the rest of the dough and roll it from the side as well. Repeat the same process from all its 4 sides. Now leave it. Take another dough and cut it like this and we are going to take it together and hold it using this chopsticks. Now put the red date on the center and roll them as well. We are going to make this beautiful flower and we are going to put it at the center of the dough. After making this, place it at the center and look, it's ready. And it is looking quite empty, so we are also making a small flower for the center part. So take another dough and fold it from the side and look, your beautiful flower dough art is ready. Roll the dough like this. Now we are going to spread it from only one part. Take a knife and make a cut at the center. Look like this. Roll it and then we are going to fold it like this and you will get this beautiful shape. Now we are going to flip it and roll it from other side as well and repeat the same process from this end as well. We are going to roll it again and fold it and look, it's ready. Now place the chopsticks on both ends and squeeze it and put it at the center. You will get this beautiful flower dough art at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.